We got to know our story or where we came from so we can preserve it, the freedoms and the liberties that we have. Our great country started as an experiment. Brave men and women sacrificed their lives to help us have the freedoms that we have today.
Our founding fathers gave their all. They left their homes to heed the call. They fought and died so we could be in a land where all are free.
So every school has its own unique feel and makeup of students, and I think a display like this that helps unify the diversity of the school around our love for our nation and how everyone is welcome here. Everyone has a place, and the vision that our founding fathers had for our country is such a beautiful display.
I want our Lincoln Lynx to know that we live in the greatest nation in the world and that we have liberties and freedoms that many people around the world do not have or enjoy, and that we need to work together as one nation to preserve those liberties and those freedoms for everyone.